Alright guys, we are live for the randoms. I'm going to go live. It's 6:43 here. Copy the names. Go into random. Jumbo case here. We're going to roll the dice. 4 more. There's 4. Put the names in here. 15 teams right there. Excuse me. Begin the giveaway. 1, 2, 3, and final round. That there. Copy that. Paste that there. We're going to do a new giveaway. And we will random the names here to find out your random teams. We got 15 names in there. Roll a dice, 4 more. And we got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last round, 8. Appleby on top. And Sublet on the bottom. And there you have it. I will get this video uploaded. I gotta copy this. Oops. And again, we've got 646.50. There's 2 over there. And we are going to go done.